Hey guys, welcome back. It's Joey again. You're watching Vegas Detect. Today I'm at home and I'm playing with my sack. Alright? My rice sack. Now you're asking, Joey, why are you playing with your rice sack? Shouldn't you be eating this? Well, I'm willing to sacrifice my bowl of rice today to do a test for you. And today we're going to be testing these pinpointers. I've already done this once before, but some comments are coming in from that video that I've done like maybe a year and a half ago, where they were saying that they were inconclusive. Somebody else said that the music was too distracting, he couldn't hear the beeps, and somebody said that they don't think these things were charged, whatever the problem was, but he said that the test was very biased and they wanted me to redo it, so I'm going to redo it again today for you guys. Okay, we're going to be detecting this quarter. Alright, and the medium we're using is rice. We can do an air test. I'm tired of the air test. I need something in between the quarter and the detection depth, and today I'm just using rice as the median of separation. It's about 2.5 to 3 inches in depth, and we're going to go ahead and start this test out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and first of all start with the XP Mi-4. Now I'm going to put all of these pinpointers in their maximum sensitivity for you. Okay, so the Mi-4, in order to do this, you have to do it with it on. So it's on. We'll hold it in. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead. 1, 2, 3. It's in its maximum. Okay, so now this is in its maximum sensitivity. Let's test it. The same kind of situation that I get out there at the parks, man. Maximum depth. This thing's not very good when it comes down to maximum depth. I see Paystreak use it, but I think he's using the Mi-6. I don't understand what's the situation with this. The depth on this is not very good at all. Unless I'm in a hole and I'm trying to get close to something, I pulled this out to pinpoint. It's very good when you're near the actual target, but outside of the ground, it doesn't penetrate the ground very good. Next one here, guys, is the Garret Propointer AT. Right, this is like brand new, 129 bucks for this thing. I barely ever use it. Let's go ahead and get this thing, and let's cut this thing on in its maximum setting too. Okay, so let's go ahead and okay, it already says it's in 3, but let's do it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's let it reset. Alright, cut it off. Let's cut it back on. So it's in its maximum setting of sensitivity. Nada. Sure, when there's nothing between you and your coin, but once you get it on here, again, even in maximum sensitivity of 3, nada. Alright, kind of disappointing, man. The third one I've got here is going to be the Technetics Tek-Point, and this is a pulse induction pinpointer. Let's go ahead and cut this thing on. It's already in 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's reset. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it on now. Technetics has always, this Tek-Point has always given me the best depth for pinpointing ground. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this thing back on again. The XP, it's already in its third sensitivity. Cut it on. Right dead center. I can get nothing. Disappointing, man. I paid a good amount of money for that one, dude. No bueno. The Garret, man, 29 bucks for this guy. It's in its third setting. Also, again, no problem out of the air. But when you put something in between it, nothing. And then back to the TekPoint again. I don't know what, but the pulse induction just it works no matter what. It's just like it's the deepest hitting one that I have, the TekPoint. Now, you know, I tell you what, we thought we had fanboys of Minelab. We have fanboys of Garret that just never say die, man. Made in America. This you got to give it a fair test. This thing here probably has bad batteries in it, man. Come on now. All right, for the benefit of the doubt, went ahead and got brand new batteries for it. These are our most advanced, whatever the hell you want to call that. Now, what's funny is I actually use Duracell in this thing already, but let's just go ahead and give it the benefit of the doubt, and we'll get a brand new one out. This one. And so instead of this one, this one's supposed to be better. All right, put it in. Make sure we got it in right. We do have it in right. Brand new fresh battery. I just can't get the Pro Pointer to do the job, man. No bueno action on this, man. So I don't know. So I mean, there's a reason why I have to carry these three things, man. Really, I don't need three. Really, if I was going to take two, I would probably just take any one of these two. Any of these two are fine for close quarter situation. Once I've got the hole open, I can use this to really pinpoint it, because sometimes this thing is too powerful. Once it's in the hole, it just makes it sound like it's right in front of you and it's nowhere near you. These guys won't actually fire until the proximity is close. So it could just be, you know, it could either be the TekPoint and the XP. I could run with that, or I could run with the Garret and the TekPoint. But I always keep two with me, man. The significance, man, of having a strong pinpointer is that you're going to dig significantly smaller plugs. You know, I mean, if your pinpointing is sloppy, your pinpointer is not accurate, you could be off, man. You could start digging your hole over here and find out it's in the sidewall, and then you got to cut another hole next to it. So you got like one plug and then another plug just to find whatever you want. But if you've got yourself, you know, a proper pinpointer that's accurate, and it's going to save you a lot of time, man, if you could just, you know, do the wiggle and then just put your pinpointer on. And with this guy right here, man, I know that if I put this on the ground and I fire it and it starts pulsing, I know that the plug is accurate, and I'm not going to have to dig excessively big holes, man. So I like actually the Bullseye TRX. That's probably the best pinpointer you can get from White's. But as you know, the TRX is no longer in production, and this is the closest thing that I can get to the TRX as far as power. And these two pretty much a toss-up. But as you can see, nothing that I did with this. Fresh batteries, pinpoint setting of number 3. It just doesn't get it. It just doesn't get it in depth. Now, once I get the plug open, and I'm, you know, scavenging around within the plug, this works just fine. Outside of the plug, not a fan, man. Anyways, man, I hope this helps somehow, man. If you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up, man. Drop a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.